Welcome to our first chapter in the Selling Tips video series. I'm Janalene Hiller, and today we're diving into the art and science of home staging. Home staging is the strategic arrangement and presentation of an interior space to make it more inviting and appealing to prospective buyers. It's about crafting a story one room at a time that buyers can see themselves in. Staging starts with understanding the home strengths and accentuating them. This might mean rearranging furniture to maximize space, highlighting unique architectural features, or creating focal points that draw the eye. Let's take a look at these transformations. Notice how in the before, spaces may feel lived in but a bit personal or cluttered. Now, the after, each room is a blank canvas, allowing buyers to paint their own future here. Expert stagers know that less is often more. Removing excess furniture and decor can open up the space. They use neutral colors to create a serene backdrop, then adds pops of color for vibrancy and life. Studies show that staged homes can sell for more and spend less time on the market. It's a small investment that can lead to a significant return. Not all staging requires a professional. Simple things you can do include deep cleaning, decluttering, and setting the right lighting to create a warm and welcoming environment. Remember, staging sets the scene for a successful sale. Want to know more about how staging can enhance your home appeal? Reach out to me for a personalized consultation and free market analysis. Together, we can transform your home to attract the perfect buyer.